What is marine environment? Marine environment means the sea, coast, beach, water masses, the water column, and environment resources. Environment resources means naturally occurring or naturally biotic and abiotic components which can include one or more species, biotopes in or habitats in a marine environment. And what are the major source of marine pollution impact hazard to humans, animals in shipping industry? Land-based source by products of industry run off from agriculturals, pesticides and herbicides influence discharge from urban areas, and also the exploration and exploitation activities in shipping and marine industry, which is collision, grounding or accidental discharge, operating discharge, tank washing, ballasting or deballasting, and machinery space discharge, and the last docking. Explain Marpol Convention history when it was adopted, entered into force, and its objectives, including all the regulations of Marpol Annex 1 into 6. So the Marpol Convention was adopted on November 2, 1973 at International Maritime Organization. The Protocol of 1978 was adopted in response to a spate of tanker accidents in 1976 to 1977. Marpol Annex 1 came into force on October 2, 1983 and deals with the discharge of oil into the ocean environment. It incorporates the oil discharge criteria prescribed in the 1969 amendments to the 1959 International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution of the Sea by Oil. Annex 2 came into force October 2, 1983. It details the discharge criteria for the elimination of pollution by noxious liquid substances carried in large quantities. It divides substance into N inter, introduce details operation standards and measures. Annex 3 came into force on July 1, 1992. It contains general requirements for the standards on packing, marking, labeling, and documentations towards quantity subtraction, and also the division and certification for preventing pollution by harmful substances. Annex 4 came into force on September 27, 2003. It introduced requirements to control pollution of the seaweeds from ships. Annex 5 regulation for the prevention of pollution by garbage from ships came into force on December 31, 1988. It specifies the distance from land in which materials may be disposed of and subdivides different types of garbage in marine debris. Annex 6 came into force on May 19, 2005. It introduced requirements to regulate the air pollution being emitted by ships, including the emission of ozone depleting substances.